welcome back to Beauty Bee. Welcome to my living room. I actually don't think I've ever filmed in this room before. And to a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Now, I received the summer Fab Fit Fun box this year, and after I got it, I unsubscribed because I wasn't super impressed. But then they drew me in. Instead of being $50 a month, they were offering a deal for resubscribers at $30 a month, and they had one item that I had been looking for something very, very similar at more like a $30 to $40 price point. So I decided I would go for it. Admittedly, I don't really remember what else is in this box, but we are about to find that out. So here is my box. It is large. It's not very heavy. I don't really remember most of what was in here. I remember there's some kitchen canisters. And I remember the jewelry. So we'll see what else is in here. I think there's 6 items. This is a seasonal subscription service. I mean, I feel like you've likely seen this subscription before on YouTube, but it's one of the bigger boxes that they send out. It has more lifestyle than true beauty stuff in it. And I feel like that is so much more information than anyone wanted or needed. So, have a code for $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. I will put that and or my referral link down in the description box in case you are interested. It really doesn't matter to me either way if you use it or not. So no pressure whatsoever. They have their little magazine, which I have no interest in. And everything's all wrapped up. I gave up on trying to keep this in my lap. So we're going to start with what I assume are the kitchen canisters. I actually pulled out my one kitchen canister that I have to show you how I thought this would go with what I already have. And I'm going to feel really silly if I'm misremembering and I didn't get the canisters, but okay. I'm fairly certain that I did. These are from Uncommon Games, and they are these big copper canisters. Now, I think the light might be doing some funny things, so I will try to insert a picture over here of what these actually look like. But, oh good, there is another one. I thought so. They are these copper canisters with this hammered texture to them, and they have a wood lid with a rubber seal. I don't know if they're waterproof. I'm kind of guessing that they wouldn't be quite, but it is very nice, and I'm really happy with these. I haven't really been in the market for kitchen canisters. I mean, I probably do need them because this is my one kitchen canister, but I don't really cook. So I haven't felt a need to get any, but this is a nice item. I was looking online and it looks like kitchen canisters in sets of 2 or 3 tend to start right around $25, $30. So I feel like the value is there for me. So item number 1 was a success. Item number 2 is from Botanic Beauty, and these are the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. 4 individually wrapped masks. So is this 4 sets of eye gels, or is this 2 sets of eye gels? Place 1 pair of gels onto clean, dry undereye for 5 minutes. Okay. I have not tried these kinds of eye gels before, but I'm interested to give them a go. This really doesn't add a whole lot of value for me. This is not something I would have picked up, but I will give them a go. I think those will be fun to try out. Next up another one of the smaller items. I think this is, I don't know. There we are. Let's see, this is a lunch pack. Rolls down and closes neatly. Okay, so it's like a brown paper bag style reusable lunch bag. Cool. I don't know that I'll end up using this because I tend to pack a salad when I bring my lunch places, and I just don't see the box that I use or the piece of Tupperware that I use to pack my salad fitting in here. But maybe if I were to pack a sandwich or to bring breakfast along with me someday, maybe this would be good. Anyway, I think that's actually a pretty cool item. It's probably not something I would have picked for myself, but I don't have anything super similar to this, and I like it. I think this adds a couple dollars worth of value for me. Next up, I'm betting that this is the thing that I was talking about. I think this is the jewelry. Yes, this is from Coach, and I believe it's a set. Let's open these up. We have a little set of care instructions, and then the actual jewelry. I have been wanting a pair of gold stud earrings that I could wear day after day. I have quite a bit of jewelry, but I have a lot of jewelry that I bought in high school or in very early college, and it tends to be really cheap, and it doesn't really reflect my style now, I don't feel. But also, I don't have nice basics at all. So I thought that these would be perfect. They are these little tea rose stud earrings. They have a little, I would call them a champagne colored stone in the middle. They aren't a white rhinestone. They're sort of rose gold. They have this little pendant necklace with this really small stone as well. It's a little bit bigger than the ones on the earrings. I wish that this was a tea rose as well, but I think this is really pretty. There's something I could see myself wearing quite a bit, and this is the item that I was talking about when I said that I was looking at similar products in that $30 to $40 price range. Cool. I'm really happy with this. I think I'll get a lot of use out of those. Now, all right, next up, I don't know what's in here. It is a little mystery box. What is this? Heineken Now You Can. I don't drink, which I guess isn't a problem because it's 0% alcohol. However, not liking alcohol isn't the reason I don't drink. I don't drink because I just don't like the taste. So, you know what? I will pass this off to a family member. I don't think this is one of the items. At least I really hope it's not. Cool. No value to me, but I think that could be a fun thing for someone. Next up, we have a curl gel from Pattern. I actually do remember picking this now that I see it. This is Shine, Define, and Hold curl gel. When I got my hair done a couple of weeks ago, my stylist used some curl gel. I don't believe it was from this brand. I think it was from Matrix, but I really don't remember. And I really liked how it turned out. So when I saw this on Fab Fit Fun, I decided I would give it a go. This is a much larger size than I thought it was going to be. I'm sure that they told me the size that I was going to be getting when I made the selection, but I just assumed that it would be sort of normal hair care product size. so a little bit shorter and probably more in that realm of like 5 to 6 ounces than almost 10. So this is 300 milliliters roughly, and I'm really excited to give this a go. I think this will take me approximately 3 eternities to go through, but I'm excited to play around with it. Okay, what is this? I definitely did not select whatever this is. So let's see how good of a job Fab Fit Fun did. The hip cutlery case. Interesting. Very interesting. So it is a little carrying case, and inside you have a reusable spoon, fork, and butter knife. I guess it's not really a fork, like a spork. More like. Interesting. I like the color. I like how these feel. I hope that they are dishwasher safe, because if they aren't, I won't use them. Does it say? Yes, dishwasher safe. Essential. So, I'm interested to give these a go. I wish that they had given us a little bit of a bigger lunchbox so that this would actually fit with it, but it's okay. It has its own carrying case, and I think that this is actually something that I will get quite a bit of good use out of. Awesome. I think we're starting to get to the end here. I see 2 more items. The first, I do remember picking this out. This is a hat. And I can't say that I was really in the market for a new baseball hat, but I have been wanting to add 1 or 2 more fall winter hats that aren't super, super warm. So let's see. I'm not sure that I am pulling this off, but wow, I look like myself circa age 9. I do like the design of this. I think it's really cute. I'm just not sure that I'll wear it a ton. Though, you know, if I move my bangs out of the way a little bit, I think it's kind of cute. I'm not sold, but I think it's not too bad. And I actually don't have a baseball hat, I believe. I don't have a baseball cap, so this will be fun. I like it. And then finally, last item I see is from Pure Lease. I definitely did not pick this out because I would not have picked out a pumpkin and ginger charcoal mask. Let's see. This could either be really good or the scent could bug the heck out of me. And I think this is the moment of truth. I really do not tend to like super fall scents, so if this ends up being like a pumpkin spice, you know, I don't like the scent of this, but I don't mind it. I think I could use this. And I don't know that I've ever tried anything from Pure Lease. I know that I have a Pure Lease cleanser in my backup stash, but I think this will be fun. I've heard good things about the brand. I am intrigued to give this a go. So, altogether, I would say that I definitely got more than my $30 of value. At this $30 price point, I'm very happy with this box. I'm not sure that at a $50 price point I would have been quite as happy. I would have felt that a $50 price point was closer to my break even. I feel like this is worth $50 to me, but it's borderline. So I think that I am likely going to continue to unsubscribe and then resubscribe to Fab Fit Fun. I did not feel that the summer box was worth $50 either. I think I ended up getting that one for $35, and though I wasn't super happy with it when I first opened it, I've ended up using quite a bit of that stuff quite regularly, so I think the value is there for me, for now at least. I think that about brings us to the end of things. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you like these kinds of videos, if you want to see FabFitFun unboxings, should I choose to get the box again in the future. I can't say that that will impact my decision to get the box or not, but I just don't know if this is worth my time to film, edit, and post, because I don't know if people who watch my channel, which is almost exclusively beauty content, would be interested in this more lifestyle box. So definitely let me know. Also let me know what you got in FabFitFun this quarter if you receive it. Thanks again for watching, and I really hope that I will see you in the next one. Bye! I'm not sure I've ever felt as much like a frat boy as I did in that very moment, so thank you FabFitFun for that experience.